Hi, welcome back to our channel. My name is Tori with Diesel Care and Performance. Today we're going to be talking about our mileage maintenance kits. These are some kits that I helped design with our technicians and some of our seasoned salespeople, and it's really based on the routine maintenance and the average life cycle of some of these products that are going to be in your engines. Now every truck is different, but these kits are really designed on certain mileage markers. And so we've developed these kits. They're a little bit more combed out than some other unboxing videos you might have seen from us that have some other parts in them that we know are probably going to give you some trouble if you don't go ahead and get those replaced. So today we're going to be focusing on the Ford 6.0 Powerstroke. This is the 150,000 mileage maintenance kit for that application. So let's get in and see what we get with this kit. So the first part of this kit is obviously going to be the fuel system side. This is going to have the injectors. That's going to be the biggest part of the kit. We've already unboxed one for you, and we've got another video that I think Billy did on inspecting your injectors to see if they need to be replaced, or some other troubleshooting things you can do to see if that's really what your truck needs. So if you haven't watched that, definitely go check it out, and then jump back over to this video. The injectors are going to be the biggest part of the kit. Get a full set, fully remanufactured, 1-year warranty on all the parts. We're also going to get a oil filter. This is very important. You want to make sure that you keep that oil clean because it's a really big part of the hydraulics in your engine. And then obviously you're going to get your valve cover gaskets. This is for both sides. So this part is pretty standard as far as an injector installation kit. What really makes this a mileage maintenance kit is the glow plug system that we've paired with these kind of standard parts. So with that being said, let's check out the glow plug side of this kit. So what really separates this kit from other injector installation kits, what makes it a mileage maintenance kit, is we've gone ahead and partnered some other products that you may not typically, replace at 150,000 miles, and things you may not think are going to be failing soon. But with our technicians, with our seasoned salespeople, we've really discovered that these are things that you want to go ahead and make sure you preventatively maintain your truck. So you want to make sure that you're either taking a close look at them or just go ahead and replace them. Your truck's already down at this point, so you want to make the most of your time. So what we've partnered with the typical injector installation kit really focuses on the glow plugs and the electrical components. Obviously you're going to get glow plugs, that's pretty standard. We also have included the glow plug harness. This is something that's going to be failing, or if you're changing out your glow plugs, you might snap it, might break it. So you want to make sure you go ahead and get this replaced. Now this is going to be the late model style. Most 6.0 owners are going to have this style. If you do have the 2003, the straight glow plug harness, we carry that in stock just as well, and it's going to be the same price. So that is going to come with this kit. Also, this really handy tool. If you do this work a lot, you probably already have one. This is for removing this from the engine, and it's going to make sure that you keep it intact. It's really just going to make the job a lot easier. So you want to make sure that you have the right tools for the trade. And then the glow plug relay module, this is going to be something you want to go ahead and replace, especially if you're doing this work in the fall, right before the winter. You want to make sure you go ahead and replace as many electrical components as you can. And really, we just want to make sure that our customers are doing preventative maintenance instead of reactive maintenance. That's going to give you the best luck with your truck, making sure that you really get the most out of your vehicle. This kit retails for $12.50. This is the 150,000 mileage maintenance kit for the 6.0 Powerstroke. If you have any questions on this kit, give us a call at 800-961-9290 or purchase it online at dieselcare.store. Thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Go ahead.
And it's also nice to just make sure that we're doing preventative maintenance, not OEM maintenance. We want to make sure that we're doing things in a preventative manner and not necessarily reactive. Should I keep it? No.